Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today to sit there and see what we all have cooking. Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing right onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Tonight, it's another Instapot Weeknight Warrior Night, and today's recipe that I'm going to be showing you is cheesy taco pasta salad. So be sure to grab a hold of that vine and swing right onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Hey there, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today for the Instapot Weeknight Warrior Night. So let's remove our lids, and you're gonna sit there and need 1 pound of ground beef. While I have my ground beef here, I'm going to sit there, turn my Instapot on saute, and I'm going to put my ground beef right on in there, and we're just going to brown it up. So let's go ahead, add the ground beef. Now I'm going to get a wooden spoon and break up the beef just a little bit. I have my wooden spoon. So what have all of you been doing lately? I know I've been canning up some condiments and such for the summer grilling season, and my family's been enjoying that because we ran out of it this winter time. And when you run out, boy, do you miss that stuff. And then once you get it back, your family's so happy to get it back again. Okay, we're going to sit there and brown that all up. Let's talk about the rest of the ingredients that you're going to be needing. You're going to be needing 1 sweet Vidalia onion. We're going to go ahead and chop that up. Now, if you don't have chicken broth or chicken stock on hand, you can sit there and use some of the powdered form of chicken bouillon, and you're going to be needing 3.5 cups. So I measured out the amount that I would need for 3.5 cups, and it's what I have here. I have 1 teaspoon a dried, dehydrated, minced onion. We have 2 1/3 cup of ORZO. You're going to be needing 1/2 cup of the taco sauce. You have 3 tablespoons of the taco seasoning, and then I have a diced up tomato that we're going to be using. And if you have cilantro, go ahead, chop up some of that, or go ahead, use some of your dried cilantro if you're fortunate to have some up in your seasonings. And then I don't have it out here, but you're going to be needing 2 cups of grated cheese. Now you could use sharp cheddar, or you could use a taco blend of a cheese mix. Let's go ahead, add that chopped up onion to our ground beef that is just browning up inside the Instapot. Now, the beef is still just browning up. I'm going to sit there and go ahead, add my dried dehydrated minced garlic. I'm going to add the taco seasoning, and I'm going to mix that all up. I'm going to awaken all them seasonings in that taco seasoning mix. You can smell all them herbs awakening and coming to the party. Now, I'm going to sit there and take my chicken bouillon. We're going to also add that, and we're going to stir that all up and let that somewhat come to the party. So let's go ahead, stir all that in as well. Oh man. Oh, this smells so divine. Okay. Now, I'm going to sit there and add half of a cup of my taco sauce. So I have my taco sauce here. Now, oh yeah, we're gonna stir that. And let all that sit there and awaken. The 2 1/3 cup of ORZO. And now I'm also going to add the 2 1/3 cups of water. Now, if you were using broth, it would be broth, but because I use the instant bouillon, I have to use water. But now if you're using the chicken broth, you would have sat there and not used the dried bouillon. Let's go ahead, place the Instant Pot cover on, close it, make sure our vent up here is in the closed position. We came down here, we turned it off. Now we're going to come over here, push the manual button, and we're going to set the time for 1 minute. We're going to allow the pressure on the inside build all the way up. It will then do the 1 minute cook time. And then when the time is up, we're going to sit there and let it do a natural release. And then we'll come back and remove the lid and stir everything all up. The Instant Pot sounded off. Now, we let it do the natural release, and now let's sit there and see if there's any pressure on the inside. Nope, there's not. Now, when you open up the cover, please always open it up away from yourself. You do not want to be getting any steam burns. So open it up away from you. And now I'm going to grab my spoon, and we're going to sit there and give everything a good stir. But before I do that, let's take you on in for a close-up view. Ooh, look at that. Oh. Now, like I said, we're going to stir it. I'll be back when I'm putting the camera back on the tripod and we have stirred it. Okay, you're back up on the tripod. I'm going to come down here. We're going to turn it off. We're going to stir this all up. And I'm going to grab myself a bowl and we're going to plate some of this up. And I'm going to put some shredded cheese on top and we're going to commence eating. Yeah, baby. Okay, I grabbed myself a bowl. Now, I'm going to sit there and grab myself some. The guys are out fishing and they're going to be so glad to come home to some of this. Now, I'm going to sit there and place some cheese right down on top of mine. And now, of course, we have to sit there and give this a good old taste test. Look at that. Oh, look at that cheese pull, yeah. Ooh, that is one hell of a party for my taste buds. Oh my God. That's how easy it was to sit there and to make this cheesy taco pasta salad. Now be sure to give this a try yourselves. I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy it just as much as I did. Now, if you liked what you saw here today, please share, like, and if you're a new subscriber, I want to welcome you to my channel. And if you're not yet a subscriber, go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And as always, here's to happy cooking, or better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now. You hear?